my name is Jordan. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm with my dad, and I thought it'd be a really good and fresh video if I filmed me putting my makeup on him. And this was actually my friend's idea, but it's still really good and fresh. I'm gonna be doing most of a full face of makeup. I'm gonna be doing foundation, concealer, eyebrows, powder, contour, blush, highlight, and maybe some eyeshadow. We'll see how I'm feeling. So how do you feel about me putting makeup on you? You can talk. Turn towards me. Ooh, let's get a barrette for your hair. This is not your shade. I'm loving the shade match. He's gonna blend in with the wall. So, is this your first time ever wearing makeup?
Yes.
Well, it's your lucky day. He needs some moisturizer. You do. Whenever you put on foundation, it automatically shows any dryness in your skin. You got lots. So now if you look, his entire face is covered. It's nice and evenly spread all around and nice and really white and pale. So I'm gonna blend into his neck just a little bit to take away from how bad the shade is. So I am next using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I got this even lighter than it should be for me, so it's gonna be extra light on him. I just looked in the viewfinder. You're blending in with the wall.
Going for the vampire look?
Yeah, the vampire look. And now he's beauty blended to the heavens. Next, I'm just gonna be using some powder to make sure that his makeup look stays for the next 10 minutes until he washes it off. Does it feel weird to have makeup on? Like, can you feel it? It's on you?
I can feel that it's on me.
That's weird.
But how long have you been wearing makeup?
Over 2 years.
And I'm what, 5 minutes into it?
Mm-hmm. I'm also putting on a lot because you needed the coverage. You look better on camera than in person. Just saying. So he already, if you look at the difference between our faces, then he already has a more slim face than me, but we're gonna contour him until he's looking Jeffree Star approved with his contour. Now that we added a little bit of color back into his face, I'm gonna try and grab a smaller brush and also contour his nose. So I don't ever really contour my nose, but we're just gonna try to use this and see if it works. Anything will be an improvement. Look straight ahead. Do you see how slim your nose looks? I should start doing that. I think that's enough nose contour. I probably added a little bit too much, but nobody will notice. Next, we're gonna be using a little bit of blush and some highlight. How do you feel so far, Dad?
Like I have stuff on my face.
Wow, very insightful. Next, I'm gonna take this highlight and make him glow. Gotta have the nice pearly white nose. You know what highlight does? Take a guess.
Highlights.
Wow. Best answer I've heard all day. Right, we're down to the last 2 steps. Next, I'm gonna be filling in his eyebrows, which I'm also like almost 100% confident that this is not the right color for him. But then finally, I'll probably just do a little bit of glittery eyeshadow, and I'm not gonna be doing mascara because I don't wanna use my mascara on him. His eyebrows need a lot of work. I mean, fantastic shape. He broke my eyebrow pencil. It just fell off. Thanks, I needed this for school. That's all that's left. He broke the tip. new one.
What do you mean I broke it?
It's gonna last me like a day. That's just rude.
So I guess we're done with eyebrows?
We're done with eyebrows now. Last but not least, I'm just gonna take a little bit of sparkly shadow and just put that on his lids. Last, I have some purple sparkly e.l.f. eyeliner, and we're gonna do a little bit of that to make him look extra glittery. So, I'm not really sure how it turned out. I feel like I could have done better, but it's not bad. I feel like it's like a solid set. Did you learn anything today?
Yes.
And that is?
I'm glad I don't have to take the time to put on makeup.
I think you look like a 10 no matter what you have on. This is gonna be my favorite part of the video. I'm gonna leave the screen and I'm gonna zoom in. I'm gonna give you your own little close-up. It's your chance to shine. Okay, Dad, this is your moment to shine. Go ahead, model for me. That's all for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you found some enjoyment in his pain and suffering. I love you guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Ooh. Wait, hold on. That might be a good... No, you don't want to scare my audience, Dad. Your face is terrifying.